So another thing that's really annoying is this cover of my trunk lock. It stays open and it should fold down automatically. So I guess the spring is broken. This is the broken spring. I already removed that cover here. That's held down with 4 screws. I now need to unbolt these 2 things here, and then I should be able to pull the cover here out. That's 1. That number 2. And now this thing should pop right out eventually. I guess that this seal right here holds it down, so it needs a little bit more love. That did the trick. Alright, now we got that. Yeah, and here you can see the spring. Here you can see clearly that the spring is broken. Too bad, but luckily I have this spare part right here, and voila, here's the working spring, and this is how it should work. You open it, unlock the trunk, and it flips right back. So this is the broken spring. I'd love to get a new one, because I guess this old spring here could potentially snap too in the near future, because no one knows how old it really is. So let's try to dig this spring here out. And the spring is held in by that part. So this looks like I gotta turn that thing. It's old and dusty and grimy. Let's see if I can turn that thing. I can. Maybe unlocking that part here. Let's try that. So we have 1, 2, 3 turns. Let's see. No, it won't get above the thing because the other spring turns hold that down. So I need really tiny pliers for this. Yeah, but that works awesome. Alright. So here is the, at least for now, working spring. Let's try to fit that in here. So again, I just need to make have a turn to get that in. Alright, so this spring is in there, and now look at that. Quite an easy fix, and I've been procrastinating so long over this thing. Now let's get that back onto my caddy, and I will keep this spring here because I need to find a shop who can fix springs or copy springs, because I really want the replacement. Alrighty, so let's get the emblem back in here. And here it's where it's bugging me. And I don't want to force it too much. Oh yeah. Just a tiny bit more, come on. Now we're talking. Alright, let's bolt that down. And these are these so-called fast nuts. It's just like standard sheet metal. Let's put that cover back on. So that was a really easy fix. So good. I mean, look at that. And my tag. This is so awesome that this is finally fixed. I'm really happy.